Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Learn Chinese with Moon. 和牛牛一起学中文. And in this lesson, I'm going to introduce some useful sight words. So if you are a beginner in learning Mandarin, these words are the words that you have to know. So now let's begin. So before we go into the lesson, I just want to remind you, if you really like my channel, please subscribe my channel and also like my video. Thank you. And now let's begin. The first word is 我. That means I. So now I want you to pronounce this word by yourself. Correct. 我. Now, let's move on to the next one. 你. That means you. So now I want you to refresh your memory and I want to ask you how to pronounce I in Mandarin. 我. And how to pronounce you in Mandarin. 你. Perfect. And now we are going to talk about this word. It's 他. It means he. And now let's move on. This one is also the same sound. It's 他. But this means she. So now I want you to look at the component on the left side. So when you see this component, it means it's a girl. If you see any Chinese word with this left component, it means it's a female. Okay. And here, did you see the left side? This is the only difference. But in pronunciation, they are the same. Let's pronounce it again. 他. The only difference is on the left component. And let's move on to this one. 们. So that is the plural. So what if I want to say we? So what you have to do is just to add this word 们 behind I. So it's 我们. Let's read together. 我们. And the second one is 你们. And next one, 他们. This one is the same sound. 他们. So now I want you to refresh your memory and let's do it again. So how to say I in Mandarin? 我. Perfect. And how to say you in Mandarin? 你. And how to say he in Mandarin? 他. And how to say she in Mandarin? 她. So if you want to make them plural, let's go over this again. So how to say we? 我们. And how to say you as a group? 你们. And how to say they in a group? 他们. And how to say all the girls in a group? 她们. So you just add a men at the end. It will mean like a group of people. Okay, let's move on. This one, 是. So unlike in English, there are so many differences. You have is, are, am. In Chinese, we only use this word, 是. So if you want to tell people, I am someone, so you can say, 我是 Claudia. 我是 Josephine. 我是 Jack. 我是, that means I am. 我是 something. Okay, and how to say You are. You are. Think first. The word is you is 你 and how to say are 是 so it's 你是 你是 so let's say if that person's name is Leo, you will say 你是 Leo. And if that person's name is Aiden, you will say 你是 Aiden. Okay, so the next one, 他 for both he and she is the same sound. So both of them are 他 is 是. So you would say 他是 you know, plus with the name. Like 他是 Jack. 他是 Vivian. 他是 someone. Okay, you just plus the name. So it's very easy. And now, 不是 不是 that means isn't. So I would say 我不是 Claudia. That means I'm not Claudia. 他不是 Jack. He isn't Jack. 不是 you just add the word 不 不. If you see 不, that means it's negative. So if you see this word in like any other place, you see this word in a sentence, you can expect to see a negative sentence. Like, okay, 不是, that means isn't, aren't, or I'm not. So how to say you're not Jack? 你不是 Jack. Very good. So how to say she isn't Vivian? 她不是 Vivian. Perfect. Very good. And now let's read this. Let's say 女生 女生. Remember this 女, we just see this component in she. You know, remember the component in she here. It's the same thing. So it means a girl. Okay? So now let's see this one. It's the same thing. So let's pronounce this. 女生女生 that means a girl. And the other one. 男生男生 that means a boy. So now, how to say I'm a boy? 我是男生. So how to say you're a girl? 你是女生. And how to say he is a boy? 他是男生. Then how to say isn't? 不是. So how to say he isn't a boy? 他不是男生. 他不是男生. And this one is 有有没有没有. So how do I say I have? 我有我有. Then how do I say I don't have? 我没有我没有. Then how to say you have? 你有你有. Perfect. And how to say you don't have? 你没有你没有. Then how to say he or she has? 他有他有. Then how to say he or she doesn't have? 他没有他没有. Perfect. And this one, 要 要不要不要 So now, how to say I want? 我要我要 Then how to say I don't want? 我不要我不要 Then how to say you want? 你要你要 Then how to say you don't want? 你不要你不要 Then how to say he or she wants? 他要他要 Then how to say he or she doesn't want? 他不要他不要 So, I hope you find this video useful to you and please subscribe my channel and like my video and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.